Okay, here we have an Apollo spacesuit. This is Ken Mattingly's suit from Apollo 16. Around the back we have his gloves and helmet. Each of these suits was $100,000 at the time. Every astronaut had 3 of them, and they had to be transported everywhere the astronauts went for training. What's fascinating is these gloves. Each of these gloves, you can see Mattingly's name there on them. These are the inner gloves. With those gloves on, the astronauts could pick up something as small as a dime off of the floor. Here we see the outer gloves, which went on over the inner gloves and were worn on the lunar surface. With those gloves on, the astronauts said they could still pick up a quarter off of the floor. Going back a little bit, you see one of the Mercury program original pressure suits. This was not an extravehicular activity suit. Just a pressure suit for the astronaut in the capsule. These suits now, or the Apollo suits, are analogous to the space shuttle suits now. The space shuttle suits now cost $1 million a piece, if not more, but they're modular in design and they're not custom fit to the same precision that these suits originally were. Each astronaut had these tailored to themselves and they fit one astronaut only. The new space shuttle suits have the ability to be changed and have modular parts for people who are taller or shorter. This is the NASA, I guess, or the Space Exploration exhibit area. And if I step back, we can see a capsule from all 3 original NASA space programs. The first capsule on the left is a Mercury capsule. This is the capsule with Ham, the chimpanzee we set in flight. The next capsule is a Gemini capsule, and the last one is an Apollo capsule. Let's see if I can get a little closer to these. As I said, this is the capsule from the chimpanzee Ham. We launched in 1961. Unfortunately, Ham did not survive once he was brought back to the surface. Several malfunctions had happened. I think I'd heard stories that he was supposed to be doing certain tasks, and if he didn't, he got a little shock. I think that system malfunctioned and it shocked him no matter what he did. Also, the trajectory coming back down was a big mistake. He was supposed to land here, he actually landed there. So the force on Ham as he came back down was much higher than expected. He was a very unhappy chimpanzee when they finally got him out of this capsule, which is why you see him making such horrible faces for the cameras in the news.